this video, we will learn about variables in PHP. Variables are storage containers in memory and they are identified with a dollar sign. A valid variable name can contain lower or uppercase letters, numbers, or underscore. Over here, you can see some variable names like $email, $marks, and $first underscore name. You cannot use a space between a variable name. PHP is a loosely typed language. This means that you can assign a variable any type of data. Create a folder PHP MySQL inside a www folder of WAM. I have created a file index.php inside this folder. We can create a variable name using a dollar sign. $email is equal to test.example.com, and this equal sign is called the assignment operator. So we are assigning value to this variable. Variable will act as a storage container inside the memory. So I can print this variable using echo statement, echo $email. As we discussed previous that we can use HTML tags inside the double quotes. So I have used the br tag to add a new line, and I will create another variable over here. I will save and run this script inside the browser. In the browser address bar, type localhost/php MySQL and press enter. And over here we can see that value of $email and $marks is printed. We can create a floating point variable as well. If I refresh the page, you can see the value of $price is also printed. We can use isset function to check that if a variable is created or not. I will comment out the code above by pressing Ctrl and /. If I refresh, you can see it is showing first name as John and 1 as the output of isset. I will remove this echo, and if I save and run it again, you can see 1 is printed. So it means the variable first name is created and the value true is printed over here. But if I add a variable that is not created, like last name, nothing is printed. It means that isset method is returning false. So if we want to destroy a variable from the memory, we can use unset method. After unsetting the variable first name, I will again try to print the variable first name value. I will save and refresh the page. The value of $first name variable is printed as John, and after unset we tried to print the value of first name variable, and PHP has thrown a variable that $firstname is undefined. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to read tutorials on modern web technologies, visit our blog programmerblog.net. Thank you and bye.